What if I tell you that you don't need to be a student or don't need to pursue a degree, then too you can live 10 months at the top universities of US completely funded. Hey everyone, welcome back to Development Wala. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the Herbert H. Humphrey Fellowship 2026 to 27. So yes, it is a prestigious US government funded Fulbright exchange scholarship for the mid-career professionals. So it is not a degree program. It don't give you a master's degree, but it is a 10-month professional development and leadership program at the leading US universities. Now let's see that who can apply for this fellowship. So the applicant must be an Indian citizen and he or she must hold at least a bachelor's degree, and he or she should have at least 5 years of professional experience. They should also have some of the leadership quality, and they should have a good English proficiency, and they should commit that they will return to India after this fellowship. The fellowship support professional working in the public policy or public administration, some of the government department like education department, or professional working in the NGO sector or the development sector, then professionals work in communication and journalism. Now if I talk about the fellowship benefit, so it is a fully funded program which include your tuition and university fees, your monthly living allowances, your accidental or health insurance, then your round trip international fare, study and book allowances, and some of the professional development fundings like for any of the field visits or exposure visit or networking you are going, you will also get paid for it. So if you are working in an NGO and on the issues like child rights, gender, health, livelihoods and communications, and have a 5 years professional experience, then this fellowship can be a strong opportunity for a international exposure, for building a international networks. So the last day to apply for this fellowship is 9th of July 2026. And as we have come to the end of this video, so I also want to give a advice that if you are applying for this fellowship, then just don't focus on your job title, but try to focus on the change that you have created, the communities that you have served, and after doing this fellowship, how this fellowship can help you contributing more effectively to your work after returning to India. I think this matters, and I think that I have covered most of the part of this fellowship. Okay, then too, if you have any queries, then you can comment below. So this all for today's video. I hope you like this video or you found it helpful. If you know someone who is searching for such fellowship, then do share this to them. Okay, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such updates.